Need a resume for an upcoming job application? Or maybe you're preparing for an internship. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a professional-looking resume using Fotor. Perfect for students, this guide will help you stand out. Hi everyone, welcome to Fotor for Education. Let's get started. First, head to the Education section in the Fotor Design Hub. You'll find plenty of options to choose from, but today we'll focus on creating a resume for students. Click on Resume in the Template section, or use the direct link in the description to find it easily. For students with no experience, your resume should be clear and concise, so it's better to start with a simple template. Once you've selected a resume template you like, it's time to customize it. Start by adding your personal information, your name, the position you are applying for, contact details, and a professional headshot. You can click here to upload your picture like this. Then, fill in your personal profile, which is a brief introduction of yourself. Be sure to show your interest in the position you want. In the contact details, make sure everything, especially your email address, is clear so the employer can easily reach you. Next, modify the education section. List your school, degree, and graduation year. If you're adding more qualifications or certifications, just duplicate the existing section to keep it organized. As the information grows, it's a good idea to highlight the school name in each part to keep the resume clear. For the experience section, focus on any internships, part-time jobs, or volunteer work. Use action verbs like led, organized, or assisted to show your impact. Fotor allows you to easily rearrange sections and add bullet points to highlight key achievements. You can also personalize the skills section by adding specific abilities like teamwork, communication, or technical skills that align with the job you're applying for. Feel free to add icons or design elements from Fotor's library to make it visually appealing. Once it's done, it will look like this. Let's zoom out to check the entire resume. Looks great! As mentioned earlier, for students with no experience, your resume should be clear, concise, and focused on your skills and education. Here are a few key points to keep in mind. 1. Education is your foundation. List your highest degree, major, and any relevant coursework or honors. 2. Skills matter. Highlight any technical or soft skills relevant to the position. 3. Extracurricular activities. If you've been involved in clubs, volunteering, or projects, these can show initiative and teamwork. 4. Focus on potential. Even without job experience, emphasize your ability to learn, work in teams, and contribute positively to an organization. Once everything looks good, click the download button. Fotor offers many file format options, but I recommend saving it as a PDF so it maintains its formatting for easy sharing or printing. And that's how you can create a professional resume on Fotor. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Also, feel free to comment below on what you'd like to see next in our Fotor education series. See you in the next video.